Hi everyone, it's Robin Clayton here and welcome back to another episode of Zodi C at the Farm. I'm so glad you could be here with me today. All right, today we're working on our garden art, and I've got this beautiful setup already ready to go. This is a crystal flower with a crystal bib is what I call them, that I put on these bowls. And then I've got my orb, and everything is already pre-drilled. Okay, if you need information on how to pre-drill using the drilling method or using the drill press, my last two episodes focus strictly on that. Okay, so, and I've got also, I'm gonna tell you what things you're gonna need to assemble this. You're gonna need to have a toggle bolt, okay? A nice long toggle bolt, a pretty flower hanger, okay? I got this, I think, at Beal's, but you can get them off of Amazon or wherever. I've got a large rubber washer, and I've got two smaller washers and a very tiny black rubber washer. Okay, so that's what we're gonna be using to assemble these dishes. Let's start this by putting the screw through the flower. This has two holes in it, if you can see that. And I'm gonna use the top hole, and then I'm putting a rubber washer through. Pick my flower back up and push that right there against that. Okay, just like that, all right? I've got my rubber washer on the other side. I've got my toggle coming through. I'm gonna put the big washer right there in the center, and then I'm gonna take another small washer and put that there, okay? And then I'm gonna set my what I term a bib for my orbs. And then I'm gonna put another rubber washer right on top, just like that, okay? And then I'm gonna go ahead and set this down just like this. And I'm gonna go ahead and start putting the toggle in, okay? Okay, I'm just gonna take my center and squeeze. I'm gonna squeeze the toggle. Hopefully you can see that. And you can see that the toggle has grabbed the orb. All right, so the toggle has grabbed the orb. Hey folks, okay, this is all tightened down now with my flower and my hook here that I'm going to be attaching to a metal stake, and that'll be in an up and coming episode. But I just wanted to show you the finished piece with the bib on the side, and I'm so glad you could be here with me today. If you're interested in purchasing any of these beautiful pieces of art, you can find me on Etsy under Zodi C at the Farm, and these will be available for purchase. Okay, so I hope you've enjoyed this episode, and if you do like these episodes and want to see more of them, please hit the like button, the share button, and the subscribe button, as well as the little bell button, and that'll notify you of videos that I have coming up soon. Okay, so I want you to have a great day, and I've really enjoyed having you here on my channel. So you all take care. See you next week. Bye-bye.